Hey guys, Dave here, and we are going to take a look at a major home remodeling project. We're going to be starting in just the next couple of weeks. It is in a ranch existing home that we're going to be adding a top floor, and then we're going to be renovating the entire first floor and a full basement. So let's turn the camera around. I'll show you what the house looks like, and then we'll go inside and take a look at it, what it looks like now. All right, so this particular ranch is a brick ranch. It's a first floor. All the bedrooms are on the first floor. They have a finished basement. It's a typical 1960s style ranch. It's about 1,500 square feet. And what we're going to do is we're going to take down this particular home. We're going to completely reface the outside of the house. We're going to go up. We're going to add 4 beds, 2 baths, and a laundry upstairs. The first floor is going to be a complete open floor plan. And then we're going to completely renovate all the floors and the outside. So you can see there's all brick around here. And what we're going to do is this. All the brick on the outside we're going to take down to about this level right around here. And that level is going to be carried all the way around all 4 sides. We're going to leave that brick, and then we're going to reface that brick with a stucco. And then on top of the brick, when we take it off, we're going to put a cap on it. And then from that point on upwards, we're going to put a hardy board siding exterior all the way up to the second floor. It's going to be a completely different looking home. All Anderson windows on this house. We're going to have a decorative stone by the front entry there. We're going to have the colored stucco from that cap down. We're going to be redoing the driveway, retaining walls, the retaining wall out in the street, brand new garage door. This place is going to look completely different when we get through with it. Let's go inside. All right, you're not going to believe this house, but it again looks like it hasn't been touched in about 30 years. Let's go inside, take a look at it. All right, so here we are. Look at this old 1960s door, and let's go inside here. So this is a fixer-upper. The homeowners purchased it, and they have plans that they have for us, and we're going to completely remodel the home according to the plans. And this particular job, look at it's nice size rooms. It's a great footprint for the first floor. Like I said, almost 1,450 square feet. They bought this house. They haven't moved in, and you can see. I mean, look at the decorations on the entryway there. The half wall, the stain trim. This is typical late 60s, early 70s. And let's take a look at this kitchen. All right, so the kitchen, take a look at this. I mean, an old General Electric. That dishwasher probably weighs more than most refrigerators now. The old bench seating in the kitchen. They did change the cabinetry at some point. And anyway, this is all getting opened up. Everything that you're looking at here, it's going to be an open floor plan, and then they have various walls that we're going to be installing brand new. As we go down the hallway here, there are 3 bedrooms in this particular house. Decent sized bedrooms, not bad. And again, all this is getting stripped out. It's going to be completely demoed down to the 2x4s on this fixer-upper home. You got the blue and pink bathroom. I'm sure everybody's seen a couple of these. You got the paint chipping, tiles falling down off the walls. This is the type of house my customers like to buy, because then they can make it their own. They could get the plans done. We create plans according to what you want to do. And then here's the master. Look at the old master bathroom. This was the thing back in the day. And so they have that. Toilet, sink, everything's stuffed in that little bathroom right there. So that's the first floor. Let's go down to the basement. What do you think of this first floor existing home plan? We're going to go down to the basement now. I'll show you what it looks like. If you like the first floor, the basement is almost the same. Let's take a look. All right, we're going down the stairs, and it immediately opens up to a big room. So what's going to happen here is the garage is over there. You have the staircase here. Staircase is going to change, and we're going to relocate it. Here's the garage. I don't even know if we have any lights here, but no lights. Anyway, so we have a 2-car garage here. We're going to strip this down. Everything's going to be new with the sheetrock. when you come in, this doorway is going to stay. There's going to be a bathroom right over there. And then the utility room is going to be in this area here. All the rooms are kind of in the same location where they're going to remain. This bathroom here, what we're going to do is we're going to strip out. Fixtures are going to stay in the same location, except that shower is going to get pushed in to this area over here, make it a little bit bigger. This will be the utility room. And basically this whole wall is going to come out. And then it's going to open up to a mud area coming off the garage. And then they will have a larger room over here, and it's also a walkout. And they're going to have all this space here that's going to become the new floor plan. It's a lot of space in this house. And remember, we still have a top floor going on. So we got 1,450 square feet on the first floor, basement, and on the new attic level. So as we look outside here, we're going to change this door. The deck is going to change, it's going to stay, but we're going to change the flooring on it to a Trex system. And I mean, you can see the whole pull down ceiling. We're going to be pulling everything off in this home. And we're going to be getting to the bones here. We're going to put a French drain in around the perimeter of the basement. You can see there was some water in here, some mildew, mold. Pulling all this out. And once we put our new walls in, we will have a nice tile floor in here. We don't have to worry about any water because we'll have the French drain all the way around the perimeter, which I like to tell my customers to do. And again, a lot of space here. All this coming out, brand new, everything. Everything from top to bottom. All right, guys, let's take a look in the back of the house and I'll show you the work that's going to go on. There's not much in the backyard as far as what we're going to do. We have a deck back here. We have a couple sidewalks and some stucco refacing. I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so if we're looking in the back here now, you see the deck, you see the steps and the foundation going around. What we're going to do is we're going to reface this deck. We're going to put new railings on, new Trex, and then the actual steps here, the steps and foundation and about 6 or 7 course of the brick from above the deck up there. From that point down will be foundation coating all the way around the house. And you see a couple of windows and doors here. They're going to get swapped out for Anderson windows and doors. And the brick from the top of the steps up, all that's coming off all the way around the house. So you can see all the windows. We're going to change the window locations all the way around. And you see some basement windows over here. Those locations are going to stay, but we're going to be swapping the windows out and raising them up a little bit off the ground. So we don't have to worry about any water going in. But you can see it's going to be a beautiful job when it's completely done. So guys, what do you think? It's going to be a beautiful job when it's completely finished. And I want you to follow this project. It's going to be, we're going to be here for about 3 or 4 months. We're going to get started in a couple of weeks. We're waiting for the permits. And once we get started, it's going to be, this job is going to be completely filmed from start to finish. So if you want to see this particular home remodel, click on the subscribe button, like the channel, like the videos, and then if you have any questions, just give us a call at 201-774-3733. I'm Dave. Thanks for watching.